This right here is a broken mechanical keyboard switch, and I'm gonna open it up. It's a Cherry MX Blue, I believe, and it was originally soldered into some keyboard, but the key or the switch broke when I desoldered it. So I want to open it and see. I just want to see how they work inside. So there's this clip here. I'm probably gonna break them off. No, I'm not gonna break them off. Just gonna do the other side real quick. No, it doesn't wanna. I'm probably gonna break off this side. Okay, it's open. So I'm gonna. There's your spring. See what's in here, everything. So that right there is your contact. So I press a button, this thing makes contact with that. This contact and that registers the key press. I'm gonna pull that out. Normally you wouldn't probably want to pull this out because you'll most likely break the switch, but because it's already broken, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna try and pull this out. Okay, so I mangled it, but yeah, anyways, so, and then this is the part where your key connects. And this is what presses down on the spring. So normally the spring would sit over there, and then when you press down on this, it would register against that other thing I just broke. So yeah, I have a ton of them.